Hello everyone! 3 weeks ago, we made a community post asking which Luxe you wanted to follow down the line of production. And as you can see here, the winner was the Luxe 42MD Elite. So we're going to start with the basic information on the 42MD. It's 43 feet long and 2 inches, 13 feet and 3 inches in height, including the AC units. It's going to have 100 gallons of fresh on board, an 80-gallon gray and an 80-gallon black, with a GVWR of 24,000 pounds and an estimated hitch weight of 4,800 pounds. Now, the sticker on the inside of your truck door is going to be your best friend in calculating if your truck can tow this coach. The coach we are following is a showroom coach, meaning we put the order together ourselves. If this were your own Luxe fifth wheel, you would have put this bill together with one of our factory direct representatives, put down a deposit, and your chassis would arrive here in our chassis department with your name on it, and you would receive weekly pictures from here on until finish. It would actually arrive just over there to be inspected upon arrival. The 12-inch I-beam frame would be insulated along the I-beam, since that is where hot and cold can transfer. This station is where the team preps all the wiring that will come up from the floor, and things like our hydraulic equalizer leveling system that we can see here. An important aspect about this system is that it is color-coded and the legs are not daisy-chained together. So if one malfunctions, the others will still operate, whereas a daisy-chain system, all of them would be stuck. The EQ Systems equalizer is a 6-point smart level. With a push of a button, the system will automatically level your coach in minutes. This feature is standard on all of our coaches. Now, we often talk about how we operate in weeks and not hours, and our wiring department is definitely a reflection of that motto. All the wires are labeled, and as we go from here on out to final finish, you will see how neat and organized all of our wiring stays. For our tanks, they aren't just held up by a ledge and a prayer. We do have a solid wood board underneath that is held by the tape, rails, and straps, all to support and prevent the tanks from falling through to the bottom of the coach. And we can see the upper straps here, which we do give that a little bit of leeway in case of bloating. The slide here is where the den will be in the 42 mid-den model, and I want to point out the 14-inch outriggers. And we have sets of double 14-inch outriggers along the slide for extra strength and support. We'll see the 42MD next time in our underbelly station. Until then, if you have any questions, drop a comment and I'll see you next time.